Face,
I
eh?
have
Like,
been scammed before.
oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, so how was the feeling?
Hmm. I've been scammed before. And when
Hey.
I reported to the person who taught me quotation,
Okay.
she couldn't do anything about it.
Like, seriously?
Yes, but with you, I know nothing like that will happen
Wow,
because now
wow,
I'm
wow,
very,
wow, wow, wow.
I know what I'm doing.
Wow. I can
Hmm.
imagine that you were scammed before.
Hmm.
Wow. So, hi, I'm the person of Efujimado, or the founder of Money Smile GH. I have with me one lady who contacted me recently. So, I would like to hear from her. So, please, your name?
I'm Claudia, President Mami on TikTok.
President Mami on TikTok.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, what motivated you to contact me?
I saw one video where a lady who was almost scammed 16K,
Mhm.
how you helped the lady retrieve her
Her
money.
money, yeah, I remember
Yeah.
that video.
So I read the comments. So I searched on YouTube and you were doing amazingly well there too. And I decided to contact you because I have taken about 5 online importation training. Honestly speaking, they are all the same.
What do you mean by they are all the same?
They teach the same thing, and even they will tell you after training, I'll mentor you.
Mhm.
But you write a message and 6 months, some will read the message and ignore you.
Mhm.
Others will not even open the message.
Wow.
So I told you, as for me, I want to come for physical training. And you were like, okay, no problem. But
Wow.
others, they will just be like, it's online, and
So today that you've decided to come and lo and behold, you are here. What were some of the things that you think have taken you through?
they taught me how to um,
Verify Alipay
verify
account.
Alipay accounts
So
and
folks, I'm not cutting here. So this here Alipay account. So I did that earlier. So she's having this here Alipay account. So you can see. So she's there with a name. You can see she said it all right. So this a current account balance. So what again? What again have you learned?
I have learned how to
How to
um,
mhm,
how to
create a
create
verified
a verified
1688
1688
account.
account.
So what
Yes.
she's saying here is it. So I'm showing you here. So when I come to the dashboard from here, so you can see. So this is her account successfully. So that is it for you.
Yes. And afterwards,
Hmm.
we did a practical aspect of me
Wow.
buying and paying.
Paying. Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. That's
So I'm
awesome.
very happy.
Wow. I'm very happy.
Yeah.
That's
What is importation if you cannot buy and pay all by yourself?
I
Like,
see.
mhm.
Weren't you bothered when I was having calls from Kumasi, Obuasi, and who?
Even that gave me the vim. Said, we are doing something right.
What have you seen? What have you seen?
Like,
Because people were calling me. I know people were
yes,
calling me, and I
and you
did
are
video calls.
attending to them. Like,
Mm.
let me say, you are patient, you are kind.
uh, because I have some students in Obuasi, Kumasi, who like a long distance and they
Yes.
can't come. Yes. So I noticed you asked me earlier, how did I manage to train someone far away and the person is has imported goods and is doing things?
I'm not surprised
Mm-hmm.
because looking at how you take your time,
Really?
yes,
Wow. I noticed you were very worried when I told you I've received this amount of money in my Alipay account and my Alipay account got blocked and I showed you.
yes.
You were worried. Why?
Someone told me
Mm-hmm.
I shouldn't be keeping money in my Alipay, like huge sums of money,
Mm-hmm.
because my account can be blocked and like I'll just lose my money.
Yeah.
But I was here when you got your account back with the money intact. So it means I'm not afraid. I can keep money
I
in my
see.
Alipay account, and if anything, I can run back here.
So a practical example is the video you watched. The lady got her money locked up. She can't do anything. She can't retrieve it. She can't use it to order. Like a whole lot. A whole lot. I remember the very first day she called me. She was crying. She was crying. She was begging me as if I'm God. Meanwhile, I am not God. I'm just a human being. And the day I processed everything for her, she was so overwhelmed. She was so overwhelmed. But you could see that I processed everything, retrieved my account so easily, and I'm glad You were here when I experienced my account blocked with over 22k RMB. You can see it on your screen. Yeah, over 22k RMB. And you were worried. I could see worried all over your face. All over your face.
I
And
have
like,
been scammed before.
oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, so how was the feeling?
Hmm. I've been scammed before. And when I reported to the person who taught me importation,
Okay.
she couldn't do anything about it.
Like, seriously?
Yes, but with you, I know nothing like that will happen
Wow,
because now
wow,
I'm
wow,
very,
wow, wow, wow.
I know what I'm doing.
Wow. I can
Mhm.
imagine that you were scammed before.
Mhm.
Wow. I have been helping people. I train people my mastermind, no doubt about that. But sometimes I openly open my heart and help people. And sometimes they will even go to my page, go and watch video, do this, and they will not even call back to even say thank you. They will not even go and click on the like button. Neither will they even go and share a comment for someone to also come and read and get motivated. So you that I have, now that you are under my mentorship fully, and I told you earlier that my training has no duration because I consider perfection, understanding over any other thing. I can use 2 days, 3 days, or 7 days to finish teaching you. But of what importance will it be if after that duration, I'm not there to guide you, I'm not there to assist you, to know as to whether or not what you are doing is the right thing or not? That is what I always look out for. But people will just go and watch my videos and they will never comment. I've trained people, some people for the past 5 years, they are still under my mentorship. I'm so glad you were here when Latifa called me. And thankfully, you said you want to talk to her. And she told you she has been under my mentorship for the past 1 year. Yeah. That doesn't mean that I've been teaching her prolonging. No. Update comes day in, day out. Things change day in, day out. So I said, when there is a new thing, there is a new development, and this my old student is having any challenge, I take him or her through. Yeah. So if it is my master training, it is a one-time payment, no doubt about that. Or you are coming back for no, I don't do that. I don't do that. So now that you have also um, come to see or you have tasted Money Smile, what I'm capable of doing or what I am not capable of doing. If someone is watching you today, what would you like to tell the person?
If it is about importation,
Mhm.
look no further.
Wow.
Morning Small GH is the place to be. Let me say
Wow.
that because the kind of patient, like he will teach you everything you need to know, and it's so easy. Unlike other online training, it's like I don't want to say much, but if you want to learn and be
Uh-huh.
guided, just contact him. He's the
Wow.
best.
Well, thank you for the recommendation. There are others that are also there that they're also doing that, trying their best. But if you really want to learn, just check me out on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. I'm there. When you message me, no matter how within the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'll return your message. So as you are leaving, if you have any challenge or whatever the case may be, do let me know. I will surely assist you. You had some enjoyment at the restaurant. How was it?
Oh, thank
Hi.
you.
So you came to learn. How come? Did
And
you
you
come to
want me
learn?
food on top?
You came to learn or you came to eat?
Both.
Well, that's just by the way. So, folks, see you in my next tutorial.